Watch out all you clear adhesives, there's a new product on the block called Prep Multi Use Adhesive. Well, actually that's not quite right, because this adhesive has been on the market for 20 years. It's just Prep has released it with a new look bottle and also a new name. It used to be called Prep Multi Adhesive. Now I've heard quite a few good reports about this particular product, so for the transparency of this video I reached out to Prep and they were very kind to send me a free bottle to try. But that's not going to have any bearing on the outcome of this video, but I just thought I'd point that out for transparency. So let's see how it performs. Let's roll the intro and get right into it. Okay, we're about to use now Prep Multi Use Adhesive. This is their new look bottle. I'm going to apply vitreous tiles to the MDF and also glass on glass. So now I'll apply a little bit. Looks like and feels like a nice consistency. Probably a little much actually. Oh no, that's worked all right. So what we don't want to do is have the glue go everywhere, all over the place. Certainly we don't want it squeezing out everywhere over the sides. Well, it applies quite nicely. I quite like the consistency of it. I think it works well. You know, you can slide the pieces if you wish to, or just pop the pieces straight down like I did. The interesting part is going to be how it goes with glass on glass. So we'll apply a little bit. We'll do the clear first on this one. I'll just move that out the way so you can see it. I would have to say I quite like this. Again, we want to squeeze all that air bubbles out from each of the sides. Yeah, looks really good. Nice and clear. But the test will be also in how much drying time does it take to clear that. Let's have a look at the pros and cons. Okay, let's have a look at the pros and cons of Prep Multi Use Adhesive. Okay, the positives are it's non-toxic, it dries clear, it's water resistant. Now bear in mind, water resistant does not mean waterproof. So don't use it in places where water pools, such as in bird baths. It's not a PVA glue, it's Australian made, has a very good price point, it doesn't cure by air. There's no limited shelf life, which is absolutely fantastic. It's quick drying even on glass. It doesn't re-emulsify with moisture. It bonds to many different materials as well. Now, the negatives are, and there's really only a couple, and that is that the availability of it may be limited in some areas because it's not sold through the Bunnings hardware chain. However, it is sold through these following chain stores: Home Hardware, Thrifty Link, Mitre 10 and True Value. Now it's also sold through some independent hardware and paint stores, so keep that in mind. It may also be available online, so that's another place where you can look for it as well. Now it's only available in Australia and Northern Ireland. It's not available in the US or anywhere else at this point in time. But again, you may be able to get it online. So now, let's go to the last word. When I heard about Prep Multi Use Adhesive, I just thought it was going to be another white adhesive that went clear. I really didn't know anything about it. I didn't have any expectations about it, although I did hear a few good reports about it, but that's as far as things went. What Prep seems to have done here is that they seem to have taken all the good points out of all the other clear adhesives and either used those or improved on them and rolled it into one product, which is their own. This adhesive ticks pretty well most of the boxes that you want to be a good adhesive. The only thing I would have liked added to it is I would have liked it to have been waterproof, so that we could use it in a bird baths or where water pools, but I don't consider that to be a deal breaker. It has so many other good points. So what do I think? I think you should give it a shot and let me know in the comment section whether you've used it or whether you plan to use it. It'll be interesting to see your thoughts on this. Anyway, that's the video for now. I'll see you on the next one. Enjoy.